In a world of ever-evolving design trends, industrial chic stands out as a timeless and bold choice. This video explores the perfect harmony of steel, concrete, and black, crafting a home that is as stylish as it is functional. From its rugged charm to sleek modernity, every detail speaks of innovation and sophistication. The industrial chic style draws its essence from urban landscapes, converting raw materials into artistic expressions. Steel and concrete, with their unpolished finishes, create a foundation of strength and durability. Black accents further elevate this design by adding depth and a touch of mystery. This combination pays homage to industrial roots while embracing modern elegance. It's not just a design. It's a philosophy that values simplicity and functionality. By letting raw materials shine in their natural state, the home transforms into a canvas of texture and tone. Black is more than a color in this home. It's a statement. Its bold presence provides a striking contrast to the steel and concrete, enhancing their raw textures. The interplay of matte and glossy black surfaces creates a dynamic visual rhythm throughout the space. Beyond aesthetics, black adds an element of sophistication and warmth. Paired with industrial materials, it softens the harshness of steel and concrete, creating a balanced environment. This duality makes the home feel modern yet timeless, bold yet inviting. Steel serves as the backbone of industrial chic design, offering strength and versatility. From structural beams to sleek furniture pieces, its cold, metallic sheen defines the character of the space. Combined with black, it exudes a modern yet raw aesthetic. In this home, steel is not just functional, it's artistic. Exposed steel frameworks and railings create a sense of openness, while custom-made fixtures add personality. The material's adaptability ensures that every element, from stairs to shelving, aligns with the industrial vision. Concrete, often associated with utilitarian construction, takes center stage in this industrial chic masterpiece. Its raw, unpolished surfaces add texture and depth to the home. The interplay of gray tones complements the stark black accents, creating a cohesive palette. The material's versatility shines in every corner, from polished concrete floors to custom-built countertops. By celebrating its imperfections, cracks, textures, and patinas, the design embraces the beauty of authenticity. Concrete, paired with steel and black, redefines modern living. Lighting plays a pivotal role in highlighting the beauty of steel, concrete, and black. Industrial-style fixtures, such as metal pendants and exposed bulbs, cast warm, dramatic shadows. This lighting enhances the textures and creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Strategic placement of light sources ensures a balance between functionality and ambience. Soft, diffused lighting counters the harshness of the materials, while accent lights highlight architectural features. The result is a space that feels dynamic and alive, no matter the time of day. Furniture in this industrial chic home strikes the perfect balance between form and function. Sleek black seating, paired with steel-framed tables, blends comfort with edgy design. Wooden elements with dark stains add warmth and contrast to the metallic and concrete backdrop. Decor elements like oversized art, industrial clocks, and textured rugs soften the ruggedness of the design. Every piece is carefully chosen to echo the industrial theme while maintaining practicality. Together, they create a cohesive yet inviting environment for modern living. The open-concept layout epitomizes industrial chic living, creating a seamless flow between spaces. Exposed steel beams and concrete walls define the boundaries without the need for traditional partitions, allowing natural light to flood the interior. This openness fosters a sense of freedom and connectivity. It highlights the beauty of raw materials while ensuring functionality. Black accents, such as slim-framed furniture and fixtures, add structure to the space, creating a harmonious balance between industrial ruggedness and modern refinement. The kitchen is a centerpiece of industrial design, where functionality meets bold aesthetics. Concrete countertops and steel cabinetry create a minimalist yet sophisticated environment, while matte black finishes provide a sleek, modern edge. Open shelving made of steel and reclaimed wood adds texture and practicality, showcasing both form and function. The interplay of materials ensures the space remains dynamic, while thoughtful design details, like industrial faucets and lighting, solidify its chic character. Industrial design extends into the bathroom, transforming it into a stylish retreat. Concrete walls and floors form a seamless backdrop, while black fixtures, such as faucets and shower frames, add a touch of luxury. Steel-framed mirrors and industrial lighting elevate the space, creating a balance between raw and refined. Natural textures, such as stone accessories or dark wood accents, bring warmth to the monochromatic palette, turning the bathroom into a space of understated elegance. While industrial chic often leans on urban aesthetics, bringing nature indoors softens the design. Greenery contrasts beautifully against the stark concrete and black elements, adding life and vibrancy to the space. Large potted plants or vertical gardens complement the rugged materials, creating a harmonious blend of natural and industrial elements. This infusion of nature not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also provides a sense of calm amidst the bold design. Storage in an industrial chic home is both practical and stylish. Steel shelving units and built-in concrete cabinets offer ample space while staying true to the design theme. Matte black hardware enhances the sleek, modern look. custom storage solutions, such as understair compartments or multifunctional furniture, maximize usability in smaller areas. The combination of raw materials and innovative design ensures that storage integrates seamlessly into the home without compromising its industrial aesthetic. The industrial chic theme extends to the exterior, creating a cohesive look. Exposed steel structures, concrete patios, and black-framed windows form a striking facade that mirrors the interior's bold design. Outdoor spaces are designed for functionality and style, featuring industrial-style furniture and weathered planters. The rugged charm of steel and concrete is softened by natural surroundings, providing a perfect setting for relaxation and social gatherings in the open air. Steel, concrete, and black come together in perfect harmony to define the ultimate industrial chic home. It's a style that celebrates raw beauty, bold contrasts, and innovative design. This vision of modern living proves that industrial design isn't just a trend. It's a timeless statement of creativity and elegance.